everyone. Damn it. Hello, fellow Cybertronians of the Autobot faction. This is Metal Sonic Neo 2.0, back again with Transformers Revenge of the Fallen for the Xbox 360. Last time, we completed all of the East Coast. Well, not all. We've still got 6 missions left to do, and we will be doing those right now. I'm thinking of trying to get through all of them in this video. So what do you guys say to that? I say let's do it. We have Breakaway, Ironhide, Optimus Prime, Jazz, and Bumblebee. You know what? We haven't used him yet. I think I'll use the skin you unlock with him. If it loads. Also, I do have my trusty cup of water with me, so I'll just go take a drink of that. How did I know it would load while I was taking a drink? But yeah, he has high ballistic damage, but I really don't think his weapons complement that. He's got short-range weapons, and the proximity mines I'm not a fan of. But he's still fun to use. I won't say that he's horrible.
Despite their losses, our enemies still linger in Michaela City.
Oh my god, volume!
And destroy them all.
I'm so sorry, guys. So I guess I'll read it out. Last gang around. Michaela has been safely evacuated, but Decepticons still roam her town. Locate and destroy all remaining Decepticons. I'm so sorry, guys. I forgot about volume. And I am...
You're going to be busy. I'm seeing multiple targets. Shoot them off.
Okay, bonuses are on 10 advanced jumps.
You understood the notch. Astonishing. Nicely done. Stay ready. There are sure to be more.
Oh, Ironhide.
There's another wave headed your way. Time to defeat those barrels. Enemy contact.
I mean, it might just be the fact that I'm a fan of automatic weapons that makes me not good. Oh no, not this again. Sorry, my pad is like really rubbish. I expect that a lot. Die. 1 second. I really hope this won't be a regular problem. I mean, I'll probably just find some new ones, but yeah, there are new ones in the kitchen. Okay, just... God damn it! Shh! I need to line up a good shot. There we go. There we go. Okay. I'm trying to complete both advanced challenges.
There's another group inbound.
Oh god.
Amazing.
See, I will say that Ironhide is at least a bit beefy. Oh my god. He leaped towards me. Okay, so yeah, I've completed the bonuses. Which means I can take them out any way I want now. I don't think so, Decepticons. Oh, hello! Oh god. Sorry, if you just scream rumble, that was my cat jumping onto the table. No, I've not. I'm trying to get an overdrive. Probably trying to get it on that. Trying to get overdrive on that box probably wasn't a good idea. Bam, 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 bam.
Enemy approaching.
I say I would like to know where.
Inbound section. I live to smash.
Hey! Dad. See, can I take this guy out and get a goal? Of course I can. Ba-bam!
The last of them. Let's get you out of there.
So yeah, there's that. 6 minutes, yeah, we're definitely doing another one. And a gold medal? I'm impressed. So yeah, we're going to be completing all of the missions before we go into the final zone. And I know I've never used Breakaway yet, but trust me, he will be coming in really handy.
Reconnaissance confirms all Decepticon targets down. They should have gone home when they had the chance. Roger that. Nothing left now but nuts and bolts. We're really picking up the pace. That was one fast fight. Well fought, my friend. This was truly a bad day to be a Decepticon.
Oh, upgrades, 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 upgrades. Oh, I can't afford that. Otherwise I would go for that. I can afford melee damage. That'd be good for the future. Yeah, I'll get that. I want to upgrade that. That's what I'm going to aim to upgrade next. I'm going to save up for that. Because... No, no, I won't. We're on to the next one. You see, these secondary missions are where we're going to see Breakaway come in handy. Unless we can't beat Breakaway here. The oil refinery communications away were damaged. Destroy all nearby Decepticons and initiate repairs. Can we beat Breakaway? No, we can't. So we're being... I've already used G1 coloured sideswipe. And I'm saving Prime's alternate for another... Have we used Ratchet? I don't think we have. Are you... Screw it, let's go with regular Ironhide. Let's make this episode all Ironhide.
During their raid on the oil refinery, the Decepticons shut down Nest's radio arrays. These arrays must be found and repaired immediately. Autobot, engage and destroy all Decepticons in vicinity of a raid before initiating repairs. Decepticons, smoke them! Inside of the people. Another enemy eliminated. Careful, looks like you're hurt. Decepticon unit terminated.
Huh. Now, I won't be unlocking the array yet. Right, that's not what I do. But I will be driving through here, getting this skill shot rather easily. Jesus Christ. There is still a Decepticon up there. Can I shoot him from here? No, I cannot. What are my things? Charged melee and advanced grab hand. I won't be getting those.
Autobot, you are at risk.
Alright, there's the second one.
SCOM array in range. Let's get that thing fixed.
No breakaway, it'd be easy for you to move on. Get the others. Let's shoot that. Woo! Okay, let's bam, 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 bam. Not fun, I'll try it. It didn't work. There, I decided to. Oh my god, did he send out like a giant shockwave? Wait, let me test that out. Oh, I don't know if the others do that. I'll check it. Maybe the advanced ground pounds are all different. Because I never really used it, even when it came to getting out of the sky. I never used it. I can see you. Okay, this is the fourth array. Okay, come on, let's get to the next area. Don't be rather far away. My question is, where could the other symbols be? Oh my god, there's one now. Damn it, I wouldn't have made it anyway. Oh, that's gonna get it. So I'm getting at least a gold on this. Okay. Now, does this run out really fast because it's on expert? No. No, it doesn't. Yes. Yes, it does. It runs out significantly faster. Transform. If you're wondering why I'm not shooting the Decepticons, it's honestly not worth it. Okay, let's do a drift. A drift. Okay. Do that. I totally just skipped an array. My bad. Come on. Oh god.
This confirms all arrays back online. Well done, Autobot.
There we go. And I parked rather nicely. There we go. I think I'll end this episode here, upload it, then record again. Yeah, if the same thing happens as last time, I'll redo the other mission. Okay? I just have to keep checking.
All arrays are now fully functional and the refinery is clear. All hostiles terminated.
Despite our victory, we are letting too many opportunities slip from our grasp.
Ironhide's pessimism is well warranted. We must achieve more secondary goals.
You are a true warrior, my friend. Well done.
You guys probably can't hear Ratchet, can you? No, I don't think so. So next we're going on to Nest has identified multiple Decepticon targets in the canals. Search out and destroy all enemies. So do we have any alternates for these, or are they all the same? They are all the same. Oh. Yes, don't much ballistic damage, he does less. Let's go Ratchet.
Nest has located additional Decepticons in the canals. Hunt them down and eliminate them.
Enemy targets verified. Locate and engage, Autobot. Autobot, move out! Enemy spotted in Sector 1. Decepticons
Bam 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 bam
inbound to
bam
your
bam bam
location.
bam bam bam.
Decepticon hit. Don't let up. Amazing.
You get.
Looks like you hit, Autobot.
Don't worry, I'll be fine. Second my health goes red, I'll use my ability.
You thought this would be easy. Decepticon hit. Don't let up.
Autobot, you cannot sustain those damage levels.
What you say? Engaging target.
Targets eliminated.
There we go.
Stay sharp. You got more inbound.
See, I
We're seeing
told
another
ya.
incursion in Sector 2. Check your map.
Understood.
Enemy heading your way.
Well, he's dead. Oh, he's not dead. So let's shoot that, and then chain it with that. Die! I said die. Oh, you think you can beat me? Uh-oh. Sorry about that, guys. I'm going to quickly run. Look at that, I believe all 3 HPs must survive. Yes, yes they must. No! Squirrel! Ah!
You're losing health, Autobot.
Bam. Don't mess with me. I got max melee damage. Don't mess with me. Die, 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 die.
Enemy inflicting heavy damage. Stay safe.
Get back here.
Target neutralized.
Yeah, I didn't think you could. Oh, you motherfucker. Die, 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 die,
Damage
die.
level approaching critical. Fall back.
Don't let up. Here we go.
So, who's the final to set to jump?
Hit those Decepticons with everything. You thought this would be easy.
Bum, bum, bum,
Sector
bum,
3
bum,
just
bum,
got
bum,
swarmed.
bum.
Multiple targets. You'll have to get over there.
Good.
He's looking shaky. Decepticon wounded. This is getting good now. This is more fun than I thought. Decepticon hit. Don't let up. Headshot. Autobots, pick him up. Headshot. This is more fun than I thought.
It's always the second one that seems to die for me also. She's still recording, right? Yeah.
Headshot.
Just a few more.
Direct hit. He's looking shaky.
God damn it.
Deception. Autobots, pick him up.
Uh-oh.
Regroup. You have multiple injuries. Push them into the next sector. Multiple targets now at Zebra 5 in Sector 3.
Sorry, I love doing that. Achievement unlocked, West Side. So there you go, 3 missions this time. We went from a merciless Decepticon killer to a medic. Isn't that what happens to Hound in Transformers 5? Might be. I mean, we'll have to wait until the movie release, but I think that's what happens.
The canals are safe. The Decepticons have all been destroyed.
This group sure can't shoot. Hope our allies appreciate how little collateral damage we've caused.
I'm sure they do. Another mission accomplished.
So yeah, I'm gonna be saving up for special ability cooldown. Do I want to try? No. I'm gonna end it off here, upload this, and then start a new video, okay? So if you enjoyed this video, never mind. If you liked watching the video, even though it may be poor quality, then leave a like and comment. Give me feedback on, you know, maybe some characters that would be better for the missions than the ones I picked. And as usual, have a great day. This is Metal Sonic Neo 2.0 shutting down.